Sekunden des Schreckens für SPD-Chef Franz Müntefering. Bei der Landung auf dem Flughafen in Stuttgart kommt es zu Komplikationen. Dieses Video zeigt die dramatischen Minuten. Als die Maschine des Typs Fokker 100 am Boden aufsetzt, sprühen Funken. Das Flugzeug zieht Flammen hinter sich her, bis es zum Stillstand kommt. Sofort rückt die Feuerwehr an, legt einen Schaumteppich. Müntefering, der zu einer Wahlkampfkundgebung nach Stuttgart wollte, spricht von einer sehr ernsten Situation. Der Kapitän hatte schon vorher gemerkt, dass es Probleme gab und die Fahrgäste gewarnt. Bange Minuten für alle Beteiligten, die zum Glück mit dem Schrecken davongekommen sind.
What you've just witnessed is a rare occurrence, but unforgettable for those who survive it. As this single-seat FA-18 Hornet traps, the arresting cable stretches to the breaking point. When it breaks, the plane quickly disappears over the side and into the water. Training saves the pilot, who ejects immediately. This yellow shirt miraculously jumps the cable as it whips under him, not once, but twice. Other well-trained crew members are not so lucky. As the cable snaps back at over 100 miles per hour, it takes out everything in its path. 7 crew members are injured. 3 in serious condition are immediately evacuated by helicopter.
They got a boat. That's cool.
There's a boat. It looks like everybody's okay.
Come on, Jed. Good.
I'm estimating winds 10 to 15. I mean, look at that sock. And that is directly down the runway he landed in. He landed directly downwind. And here they are. It is lightly raining. It was a slightly wet runway.
What a shit. It was coming. Oh shit.
The engine is now running, I think.
Oh shit. Oh, that's bad.
They're cutting the rope.
That freaking engine's still running. I don't believe it. Holy shit. Oh shit, she's burning now.
They're trying to get away from it. It's powering up.
Yes, that's all I see on it. Okay.
Get away, get away.
Any idea what they were doing landing at Bader? Doesn't matter, Mark. That engine is spooling up.
They're getting away. The engine is spooling up. Oh boy.
Is there somebody in there doing that?
The jet is now powering forward. And maybe it'll taxi back up on land, we don't know, but it doesn't look good. Seems like the plane is still moving forward. Our houses on the other side we're worried about. It's powering down, I think. I think it's running out of fuel or it's shutting down.
With the engine in flames, passengers escaped an emergency chute. This was filmed from the terminal building on Japan's Okinawa Island. As the last of the passengers race across the tarmac, this happens.
Emergency workers on the scene. We had live pictures. Here it is again. So the plane landing, you see it bounce once, twice, and then it flips to the left on the left wing, and you see the flames there start almost immediately.